Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. Here we've got the list of languages which we've got previously applied to the whole system. So let's tap on add a language in order to add new one, and as you can see here we've got the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick Turkish, for example, and sometimes you will be able to pick the region also. So the same situation, just tap. And as you can see, our newly added language has been immediately applied to this list, but the English language is still a main one. Actually, nothing changed. So all you have to do in order to change, to switch the languages, simply tap on the one you'd like to use and hold it, and as you can see right now you can move it. So let's drag it to the very first position, and as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, in my case Turkish. So let's tap on it again. Let me show it to you again. Let's switch to the English. So tap, hold and drag to the first position. Of course you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon, tap on remove and mark the language you'd like to remove, and click on the trash bin icon, tap on remove, and as you can see it immediately disappears. So actually this is it. This is how to change a system language in your Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.